Hello, today I'm using SOLIDWORKS xDesign to model the Model Mania 2003. This part is not very complicated. We mostly use the extrude, the revolve and revolve cut, and also we create some standard holes. So I start first with the front plane or YOZ, and I create the rectangular, but this rectangular is a construction line only that I'm going to use because I need to identify the center of the main large hole, and that main part, it has two holes that align along an axis that is the 15 degree from the horizontal. So those are just the construction line. Once I get the two axes that I need to build those holes, but those axes I will use later on for the mirror as well. So we start with the first circle, but that one is no more construction. This is the line I'm going to use to trim later on to create the profile. So I need also another circle on the top, and the next thing will be the line that is tangent with the top and the center circle. So we make those this line tangent to the circle. We haven't put any dimension yet for those geometry, we just set the condition. And now we're gonna mirror the side edge and the circle, and then we mirror one more time to do the left and right part of the profile. Okay. I'm going to trim those lines, and I set the distance between the top and the bottom using the center of these two circles. That's going to be 46. Okay, now it's a close contour because the it's no more white. It's turned into the blue-gray color. So the top radius is 12, the side radius or the middle radius is the 20, and then one more condition, which is the tangency between the edge and the top and the bottom circle. Okay. One more thing to do, which is the another profile, and we set tangency between these two. But I can move the arc a little bit to the other side. Okay. Now I make a parallel, but I don't want to change the whole section. Just need the arc and the top parts also. Right, now I'm going to trim. Alright. I used the extrusion to make this part, to make the main part. $50 mm. Perfect. Good. Now the next, there's still two parts of this, which is the side plate and then the half spherical on the other side. I extract the edge because I'm using that edge for the profile of the back side. The right side will be eaten by the main part and also the spherical, so I don't need to pay much attention. The height of this is 40, and then it has a radius at the corner. Radius is 20. Excellent. Now I'm going to extrude this profile. Okay. Okay, now I need to draw the center line, and that center line I use for the axis of revolution of the half spherical and then also the half spherical cut. This line is a construction line because that is the axis of revolution. This circle has a dimension of 70. I trim one side of the circle and I close this arc. so I can make the revolve. Blind by 180 degree, switch to the other side, and that's it. The next step will be making a cut. And we use the axis, the rotation axis, the thickness is 4, so the internal circle would be 70 minus 8. I'm using now a revolve cut. Identify the axis and the profile. Now the next thing we have to do is the large hole in the middle. Diameter is 25. And the normal extrude cut will do the job. The next thing is I have 4 counterbore hole because they lay on 2 different faces, so I will need to create 2 sketches. I just need to identify the center point of the hole, and that's it. So this face is quite easy. Now the other one, it planar, so I need to have some dimension to position the holes compared to the edges of the flat plate. Distance between the hole is the 20 in horizontal and also 20 vertically. So we have the position between the hole. Now we need the dimension between the hole and the external edges. So all the holes are positioned properly. We're gonna create the 3D, the features hole. I'm using the feature hole. It's a counterbore going straight, so the internal diameters I will start first. I'm sorry, no, I start with the external first. Placement, we're gonna select all the points. Now we need to get the fillet for all the sharp edges and the internal edges as well. I turn on the visual to show the edges. I think it'll be easier for me later on to identify which edge to add the fillet.